working with the steel target still. I said I would show you guys a drill. This is a fun drill. Low round count because we're kind of in an ammunition shortage. Idea, big target, small target. Okay? You want to start, we're going to draw from concealment. Hit the small target. 2 rounds on the big target. We're going to do this as quickly as we can. Remember, with any drill, start slow, work up speed, right? Hits count. So if you miss one shot, you fail the drill. So we're going to shoot this a couple times and show you how it works. If you want to use a shot timer, you can do that. Always helps push yourself a little bit. We're gonna just example this drill kind of slow so that everybody can see what we're up to. All right, so first round's complete. We're gonna try it again. Try and pick up the pace just a little bit and go from there. Remember, hits count. If you miss, you fail. So here we go. Okay, we're gonna move it back. Before we were at about 30 feet, give or take. Now we're back right around 50, 52, 53. So we're gonna shoot the same drill, which means you're gonna have to slow down a little bit because you got a smaller circle to hit, right? It's still fun. Push yourselves with distance. Makes you hone your fundamentals. Remember, this drill is all about trigger control, so we're going to see if we can miss today. Alright, so we're going to take second round at this drill. Remember, 50 feet from concealment. See if we can miss. Alright, so we're going to work with the 1911 a little bit on this drill. Probably going to be much slower because I'm not as in tune with that gun. So let's see how this works out. Hunting for my front sight on the draw. Second attempt with a 1911. See how it goes. Could have been worse.